Hello everybody, Chikorita Lover here today. And if you want to find new entertainment options and tips and tricks for various stuff, subscribe to the channel right now. And, well, today is a special video. I'm going to tell you how to make your very own pizza slider. So pizza sliders are a limited time item at Arby's. We have the meats. And they were really good, actually. They're just like pizza, and I told all my friends about it. And one of my friends was like, ew, gross. But, hey, it's pretty good. So, let's get started. Let me tell you the ingredients. So first of all, you'll need a toaster. Well, that's not an ingredient, but something you'll need. Now time for the actual ingredients. We are going to need a hamburger bun. Back here. Oh crap. Lots of bread. Okay. Also gonna need to get a paper towel out. And we are also gonna need some stuff in the fridge. Pizza sauce, which I have back here. Here it is, pizza sauce. Let's put that right there. Provolone cheese. That's right here. And then finally, toppings that you would like on your pizza. So like pepperoni. Find the here they are. Here's the pepperoni. Okay. Alright, so we got everything we need. Provolone cheese, pizza sauce, pepperonis, or whatever toppings you want. Ham is another good option. A toaster, and hamburger bun, and you're going to need to lay out a paper towel. I might make a similar video to this for mocha lattes, I might. So, if you want to know when that is out, just subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell. Otherwise, you won't know when it's out. That'll be a bummer. Okay, so we're gonna lay out our hamburger bun like this. Okay? Then we're going to have to take our pizza sauce. Let's open it. Open it, there's the pizza sauce. Because we don't have much left. Okay, let's get a spoon out. I'm sure everyone has spoons. I'm sure. So. Alright. And then, first step, just spread pizza sauce. You're gonna need to do it on both pieces of bread. Yeah, we're gonna need more pizza sauce. Okay, so once you've spread that out on your bun, just put our spoon right over here. We can put our pizza sauce away. Oh shit, okay. So I'm just gonna put this back in the fridge real quick. Okay, so next we're going to take our provolone cheese. Make sure you have at least one topping, because otherwise it just, yeah, kind of blah. Make sure you have like pepperonis or ham, something. So, we got our provolone cheese. I'll put my cheese away. I guess I can do that later. Anyways. Also, and then put on your toppings on the other patty. Or, yeah. I mainly just have these for lunch, not like breakfast or dinner. Rarely I'll have them for dinner. So yeah, should look something like that. Slap on some pepperoni. Okay, so we got all that. Good. So next, before we put those away, what we are going to do is put them in the toaster. So grab this. Alright, you're not going to put them together. You're just going to place them on separately. So like that. I'm going to open up our toaster. And put them in. Okay. I'm going to set it to toast on 450 degrees. Toast. Again for the function. And then time, just do 20 minutes. You're gonna need to keep your eye on it. Okay, so you'll know when it's done when like the cheese or pepperoni starts bubbling. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna put stuff away while it's toasting. It usually takes like maybe less than 5 minutes. I hate these things. Using this thing. Oh yeah, and thank you to my first 20 subscribers on the channel. We finally hit 20 subs. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. So, yeah. We just want to keep our eye on it. Let's see. Okay, I'm back. Let's take a look. Not yet. Oh yeah, and I've been working on a special Pokemon Dream Team Talk video. Keyword, I said video, not episode. Secrets. So maybe we might have guesses on what that means. Looks like we're almost done. And if you want to know what camera I'm currently using, it is a Canon camera. Let me check the model. PowerShot. Oh gosh, it's gonna. ELF 180. Canon PowerShot ELF 180 is what I'm using. I have another camera that I'm gonna use more of the time, but this one, the other one's charging, so I'm just using this one. Looks like it's bubbling, so then that was about 5 minutes. All right, so when we are done, cool down a bit. Get ready, because this is the part where we're going to enjoy. All right. Oh, hot sauce. Okay. Look good. Finally, what we're going to do is hot stuff. That looks good. I'm gonna get the plate out. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Can't wait to have my pizza slider. Can't forget to have a fruit. Yummy. Let's focus. This looks good. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any new content. Like and comment. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.